National Digital Mission and its impact, Prime Minister Modi explains. On the occasion of 74th Independence Day, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, while delivering his speech to the nation, announced a major digital initiative in the form of National Digital Health Mission. He said that the project will provide a health ID to every person in the country and benefit the poor. The Prime Minister said that whatever medicine a doctor prescribed, when was it prescribed, what were the reports, all this information will be linked to a person's health ID. It is going to be another flagship initiative of the government like Ayushman Bharat. What is National Digital Health Mission? Listen to it in Prime Minister's own words.
हेल्थ सेक्टर में आज से एक बहुत बड़ा अभियान शुरू होने जा रहा है और उसमें टेक्नोलॉजी का भी बहुत बड़ा रोल रहेगा। आज से नेशनल डिजिटल हेल्थ मिशन उसका भी आरंभ किया जा रहा है। भारत के हेल्थ सेक्टर में ये एक नई क्रांति ले आएगा। इलाज में आने वाली परेशानियां कम करने के लिए टेक्नोलॉजी का बहुत सुविचारित रूप से उपयोग होगा। प्रत्येक भारतीय को हेल्थ आईडी दी जाएगी। ये हेल्थ आईडी प्रत्येक भारतीय के स्वास्थ्य खाते की तरह काम करेगी। आपके हर टेस्ट, हर बीमारी, आपको किस डॉक्टर के पास कौन सी दवा ली थी, उनका क्या डायग्नोसिस था, कब दी थी, आपकी रिपोर्ट क्या थी, ये सारी जानकारी इस एक हेल्थ आईडी में आपको समाहित की जाएगी। डॉक्टर से अपॉइंटमेंट हो, पैसा जमा करना हो, अस्पताल में पर्ची बनवाने की भागदौड़ हो, तमाम दिक्कतें नेशनल डिजिटल हेल्थ मिशन के माध्यम से अनेक मुसीबतों से मुक्ति मिलेगी और उत्तम स्वास्थ्य के लिए हमारा कोई भी नागरिक सही फैसले कर पाएगा। ये व्यवस्था उसे होने वाली है।
In fact, the blueprint of the program was launched last year. It seeks to provide efficient and affordable health coverage through a wide range of data and infrastructure services. The key feature of this mission is the technology part. It will leverage open digital systems to provide high-quality healthcare for all. It will integrate various digital health services to create an ecosystem which can assimilate existing health information systems. The government has said that it will ensure security and privacy of personal information. And what is Health ID? Every person in the country will get a digital health ID, which is basically a digital format of all his or her health records, which will be linked to the registry of doctors and health facilities across the country. The platform has been planned to improve efficiency, effectiveness, and transparency of health services delivery. The Health ID will be in the form of a mobile application of website. This is K. Ramakrishna for Orange News 9 TV. For unbiased, accurate, and in-depth news analysis, watch Orange News 9 TV on YouTube. Subscribe. Press bell icon, like, comment, and share. Edited and promoted by seasoned journalist M.S. Shankar.